Why do some people achieve massive success online, while others constantly struggle to survive? Are you tired of gurus who pass off little, so-called secrets at marketing seminars or workshops, and leave you hanging and wanting more? Are you tired of getting sold, upsold, oversold, and cross-sold? If so, you'll want to pay close attention. I recently got a phone call from a friend who told me while on their travels in a faraway country, he was lucky enough to attend a special event, and at this event he witnessed a gentleman on stage giving an unbelievable presentation. But it wasn't just the way this gentleman was talking that caught his eye, it was in the way he was captivating the crowd with his tested, high-value content on generating cash online. No games, no special effects, no firewalking, just socializing with the crowd and bonding with them in a way that few people could do. Genuine bonding, not some slick sales trick. I asked my friend if he had the chance to speak to this gentleman, and he said, "Not only did I speak with him, he promised to share his life-changing secrets with any person on the planet who wanted them, for free." After hearing this, I, like you, was thinking, why on earth is this guy giving away the farm? On top of that, my friend continued to explain that people flew in from all over the world to hear this gentleman speak and paid well over $3,000 a person to be there. The insider knowledge he was sharing so freely really blew us away. The content was incredible. Just click on the link below or copy and paste it into your browser to see for yourself.